Hello everybody, when you first using the Oculus Quest 2, I recommend trying out first steps. And this is the tutorial, it's going to be an introduction. We're going to explain to you what VR is all about and what Oculus Quest 2 is all about. And I recommend doing this first because really this was designed to perfectly showcase what Oculus Quest 2 is capable of in terms of interaction, movement, designed so well. And of course, I'm now sitting, holding the two controllers, one on each hand. And now we are getting into a new virtual environment. Everything changes around me. Lots of cool stuff happening, animations. I can look up, I can look. This huge whale is behind me. This thing is going down below my feet. Just crazy what's happening. Yeah, I'm there. I'm inside that place. These air balloons are big, much bigger than me. Again, I'm watching this one while inside this virtual environment. Alrighty. Another world is drawn, virtual world. This is a representative, the virtual replica of the controller in my hands. Now there's a table here. But by the way, what I'm doing now, if I'm extending, opening my finger, you can see the app recognizes this. I move my finger, it knows exactly where I'm pushing. So actually, if I close the middle fingers, the index finger, I'm going to open it, close it, open it. It reacts the same, but these are of course virtual hands. This is a virtual controller. I can just tap. Sorry. And now I'm going to move to the other button. And again, the virtual hands animated to the exact location where I'm still pressing. And actually move the fingers to the thumbstick. I can move them around. And I can tap this one. And I can tap this one. Yes, animations. So these are the triggers in front. I can tap the right one first, and then the left one. So this is a grip. I'm going to do it for the right finger and the left hand. So now the virtual controllers disappear. I have just my hands. So I'm just squeezing.
Keep squeezing the grip and just lift your index finger. Now use your index finger to push the button in front of you.
So if I do it like this with my index finger, just move it down, I have a fist. If I open it, just gonna point. I can point. Alright, I can move my thumb also, close it, and then I can press.
To pick up an object, squeeze and hold the grip button with your middle finger. Try reaching out and grabbing one of these blocks.
So I'm moving the controller and just using the grip to hold it. It vibrates a bit. Now I'm holding it. And I can release the grip button and it's gonna drop.
Your hands can do just about anything.
Okay.
Go ahead, play with some of these items.
So I can grab this one and I can grab this one. I can throw it if I want. Just don't throw the controller. I recommend just using, the leash there. Then you can throw it again. Hold this one, throw it. You can throw it here, throw them together. There's collision detection, of course. And I can also pick up this one and just use my controller and move it forward to throw it. Again. Works amazingly well. I'm just going to make sure I won't throw my controllers out. Always recommended. Oh, just a second. I'll do it right now. Putting the strings on my hand. So just in case the controllers fall down, they don't fall on the floor. Sometimes you lose the connection between what's real and what's not. So we're gonna throw it. Yeah, now I feel more confident to make a mess. Alright, so we also have this one, the racket, ping pong racket. right? I can actually, I'm left-handed, so I'm gonna do this so you can see. Oh, no. But because it's virtual, we can actually get the ball spawn here. I mean, if you lose the ball, well, you can have it spawn here. So we can do this again. You don't need to run after the ball. Woohoo! I can throw this one away. And you go. You can take this one and look at this. Look how beautiful the animations are. Just going to pull it with my other controller and release. Wow. Nobody's going to get hurt. It's all virtual. And pull it and release. And I can close my grip finger and my both hands on my middle finger and index finger, and have like doing like fist, and then I can just do like this. Do this one. Amazing. Ha! We can also take this controller and control this thing. Can use thumbstick to rotate it. Alright, and the trigger to move it forward. Rotate it and also make it activate the honk. Woo! More? What is this one? Ah, this is just an antenna. Alright, you can just throw it if you like. Nothing will break, no worries. So if you have two activities, this one is really cool. This is, if you like first-person shooters, you're gonna love this one. So basically, we're gonna put in here, and the entire world around us will change. We're gonna press this button, remember? Index finger. And look at this, everything changes around us. I'm gonna be in another place right now, in a few seconds. Now it loads, and it's gonna draw a game. So, look at this. How many new places in a kind of a cute arena. Futuristic one. Now what we can do, we can press this button and we're gonna have a gun. I can hold the gun using the grip button. Look at this, a plastic gun. But this one shoots. Look at the effect. I'm holding a gun. I'm literally holding a gun in my hand. And I can just shoot targets. I can aim down sight if I want to. And I can even throw the gun if I don't want it. If I want to change, I can press this one. Now we're gonna have two of them. I'm gonna hold them with the grip button, and I have two guns in my hand. Look at this. I can do like this, like in Hollywood movie. Everything is controlled with my hand, so it's all separate. I can just shoot and have a blast. There's gonna be a score there, you see? So I can actually see what's my high score. Let's shoot some more. I can also stand there, you can see everything. This is like a big hole there. I'm now standing. Crazy. It's all in 3D, you can look all around you, and you are actually there in that place. You no longer see your reality. This is virtual reality. Everything changes. Shooting, shooting. Come on, you need to be more accurate. Maybe aiming down sight. ADSing might help. Look at this. We're doing great. Another one? Ooh, look at this behind us. Oh, new high score. Some fireworks happening, and we can throw it away. Yeah, so we can actually press this one. Look at this weapon. This weapon is pretty cool. You hold it. Oh, sorry. You can hold it here, the grip with the second hand, and when you just stretch it, it vibrates and it feels rubbery, and it is looking rubbery and feels rubbery. Pretty cool. You can aim down sight, by the way, if you want to be very accurate. Or hold it like this. Oh, come on. Let's aim it down sight. Come on. I can't miss with this. Nice. We are doing it. Oh, look at this funny weapon. Nice. Oh, I miss everything. I'm now standing, yeah, holding the controllers with 2 hands, holding this weapon with my 2 hands. Sorry. Look, so funny. It's really feel tactile. The haptic feedback works really nice. The vibration. But of course they're going to be much more better controllers than this one in the future. You can feel more of a tension and force, but this one is simple but still works really nice. Alright, I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna put this one here. Sorry, yeah. And we're gonna take this one out. Oh, sorry, we need to press here to get out. Now everything around us changes. I'm living in this place, soon I'm gonna be in another one. Alright. So, sure. I'm going to put this one here, and you're going to see this one is really cool. You're going to have some interaction with an NPC, a little robot, and you can actually dance with this, with this one. You're going to be she. It can be he, she. It's a robot. I don't treat her as a she. All right. Where is she? Well, we need to connect this one. You see, we need to do this. Oh, come. Connect this one. Connect this one to here, and look at this. Hello. It's right in front of me. I'm just sitting. It's a bit taller than me when I'm sitting. Of course, I can just stand. Hello. Hi. Hello. What we can do together? Can we just hold hands? Sure. You're gonna hold her hand. We can just do this. Look at this. Other hand. Oh. I'm gonna sit down. Let's see. Oh, we are just starting. Move your hands. You see, it tells me to move my hands. And let's hold the hands together and hold the second hand, and we are dancing. It's funny. I'm sitting and I'm dancing with a little cute robot. It's amazing. Let's hold hands again. Look again. Look. Woohoo! She's not gonna fall, no worries. She had great balance. Second hands. Woohoo! So stretchy. Cool! Now when you release her, it's gonna get down. You can actually, if you want to leave, you can just go and press this one. And then, bye-bye. Hello, bye-bye. And the world disappears and another one will appear again. So we are back here. So there, this is the basic tutorial of the Oculus Quest 2. Of course, you can play it whatever you like. Even if you finish it, you can go back and play it more. This is a fantastic way to give you kind of demonstration what VR is all about. The different interactions, having things, throwing things, see the physics in the real world. Of course, everything can change because it's virtual. So whenever you try new experiences, of course, it's going to be very much different. But you can see how intuitive the interactions are in virtual reality. And it's so much fun. So this one is definitely recommended. And if you don't know what virtual reality is, if you try it for the first time, well, I think this gives you kind of a understanding what it is all about. But you need to understand, whatever you do, you can't understand for this movie what virtual reality is all about completely. You have to try it out yourself. Because I'm inside this, I'm inside this place. Inside. I'm here. My reality changed. I see everything big. Everything. This one is huge. Right above my head. Big one. I can touch this one. I'm holding this virtual cube in my hand, right hand. I can throw it. I'm looking around me. Everything changes. Virtual reality will change the world around you. You're no longer in your own reality. So in order to really feel and understand what this one is all about, you need to be inside the game itself, inside the app itself, not outside watching. This is the only way you can really understand what virtual reality is all about. So this is it for this video. I hope you find this one useful. I see you very soon on the next video. Again, I just got my Oculus Quest 2 2 days ago, and I'm just blown away. So thanks everyone. See you very soon on the next video. Cheers.